Step 1. Grab your phone and go to Google Play Store. Step 2. Download this app for free. And step 3. Boom! You just earned $600. No selling, no video, no referrals, no website, and no difficult setup. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Just a heads up guys, the phrase make money online will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. Now the first app that you can make money online today is over at Fope.com. This is an app that consists of a huge library with millions of different high quality photos. And there are basically two groups of people here. Number 1, people who are looking to buy different photos, and every single day there are hundreds and thousands of people who are shopping around on Fope and looking for different photos to purchase. And the second group of people are those who are selling their photos. And that's exactly how you can make money on this application. Don't worry, you don't have to take any of your own photos. You don't need any graphic skill. You don't have to be on camera. And you don't need any technical skill. In just a moment, I'll show you a few secret websites where you can literally find a lot of done for you and fully automated photos that you can re-upload and post on Fope. So when you go onto the homepage of Fope.com, you want to click on switch to creators and I want you to click on sell your content. And that's going to bring you to this page. You can see here time to make extra money with your videos and your photos. You can download the Fope app on your iOS or Android devices. And the best part is this app is 100% free. So real quick, I just want to show you the entire library on the website. You can see here there are so many high quality photos that people are selling and they're making a lot of money. And the good thing that I like about the Fope is that they do give you passive income. Once you upload the photos on this platform, even next week, next month, next year, or 5 years down the road, you're still able to receive your commissions from this website. And every single month, there are millions and millions of visitors who are shopping to find different photos to purchase, and they're going to be buying the photos. Once again, you don't have to create or take any of your own photos. I'll show you something special at the end of the video, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Now say for example, this is one of the photos that people are selling on this website. Usually for every single photo, they will be charging for this amount. Right now, you might be wondering how much money you can actually earn from this website. Basically, they're going to share the profit with you 50-50. So 50% goes to Fope and 50% goes to your account. And the reason why they're taking 50% of the profit is because they are going to sell the photos for you automatically. And Fope is a very established website. They're working with a lot of big brands and they're getting millions of visitors, and they're going to automatically help you market and sell different photos that you upload on their website. So you don't have to do any of the manual work yourself. All you gotta do is just simply copy the photos and paste the photos in this platform, and you can receive passive income every single day. Now let me show you something really interesting on this website. Other than simply selling the photos, you can also join different missions. You can see this mission right here with this amount of cash award. Right here, another mission with this reward. And every single week, there are different missions that you can join, or you can simply upload different photos based on the theme that they provided. When you submit different photos and different missions, you stand a chance to win extra cash money on this website. Make sure you keep watching because at the end of this video, I'll show you a couple of websites where you can find done for you photos which are super high quality that you can copy and paste and earn money on Fope. Before I show you the secret website, I want to show you another app which you can download for free and earn cash. Simply go to shutterstock.com. Basically, this website is very similar compared to Fope, and they do have a huge library of different high quality and high resolution photos that every single day people come here to buy different pictures. Once again, you can be the one to contribute and upload some photos to Shutterstock. And you can simply share your photos and start earning money every single day. Now, the coolest thing about this strategy is that you can upload the exact same photo on Shutterstock and also upload the photo on Fope as well. The more websites that you sign up for, the more money you are going to make, because there are certain people who are visiting Fope to buy your photos, and there are also a portion of people who go onto Shutterstock to make a purchase. So we can literally copy and paste different photos and build different sorts of passive income by using this exact strategy. So once again, all you gotta do is click on this button to get started right now, and that's going to bring you to this page to sign up for a free account. All you gotta do is put in your full name, your display name, your email address, your password, and you can register for a free account. As promised, I'll also show you a couple of websites where you can find and download 100% free high-resolution images. Before I show you this website, make sure to go down below and smash on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel too and turn on the notification bell. So basically, this website is burst.shopify.com. Now from there, you can find different high quality and high resolution photos, and they separate them into different categories. For example, work from home, fashion, women, fitness, and so on. There are so many different categories that you can see here, and they're super high quality and are 100% free. You don't need any credit card. You don't need any investment. Now say for example, when I look into this category, that's going to bring me to this page where you can see here all of the images that you can download with just one click of a button by using your phone or using your computer. As you can see here, there's just so many different pictures right here. Now, you can choose from high resolution or low resolution, but I highly recommend you to download the high resolution in order to get paid on different websites. And as always, I will try my best to help you guys make even more money online. So I decided to give you another alternative, which is over at pickwizard.com. And once again, on this website, you can find different high quality and free stock photos. And they have over 1 million different high quality photos and images which you can download for free on this website. So once again, as promised to you, you don't need any technical skill. You don't have to create or take any of your own photos. This is actually a much smarter way and a shortcut to do it. Now let's just say when I click on this image right here, that's going to make me to this page. Now from there, I can click on any of these download button to download this on my phone or download this on my computer. So as you can see here, I had successfully downloaded the images onto my computer. And now the next step is to upload this photo to Shutterstock and also to Fope.com. And I can start receiving different royalty commissions and passive income every single day. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.